Fear, I returned.
Welcome back, my shining star. I see you found another memory for me. Please, let this be the key to both saving the world and stopping the outsider. It was him all along. Brave, nameless swordsman. The one they call Outlander. Miss Ravencroft, I'm trying to talk to Miss Bloodflame.
Sorry!
I hear you behind me.
Sorry!
This is Trockaday.
Sorry! Oh my god, it's so cute. Whoa.
Are you alright, my lady?
Yeah, there's just something really cute happened.
Really
What
cute?
happened?
Was it a proposal?
No, nothing like that. Nothing of the
Do you know what
sort.
that building is over there?